what's up everybody? Mitchell Ruggles coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be pouring some concrete on the volcano side, volcano area on the Big Island. Not really sure what we're getting into today. A good friend of mine, Miles, called me up, said he's got a pour for us. Not sure what we're pouring, or who's going to be there, or how many yards it is. I said, all right, I'm in it, buddy. Let's go to battle, you know, see what we're getting into. And so hopefully it goes well. And all right, let's run it, baby. Shoot. Okay, went pretty good. Just laid that out. 40 yards, four full chucks. Went pretty good. Got some hammers working with us today. We got Miles Campbell, a good friend of mine. I've known him for a long time, and awesome guy, awesome finisher. So I had him today. He's the one who called me on. And we also had John Coaches today. Good to see him around. I didn't know he was going to be here today, so pretty stoked. And then we got Clayton Benavidez. It's his job, so he called Miles to bring a couple guys, and he brought me on. Known him a long time too. And then a new guy, always new. I haven't worked with him before. This guy named Nui, hammer finisher. First day I worked with him today, and it's always good to meet good guys, get connected, get their numbers, and you know what I mean, bring each other on to each other's pours. But anyways, yeah, hammer slammed that out, 40 yards. Just get some water in me real quick, cool off a little bit. And then what's left is just, we got to catch the curbs, make the curbs nice in the garage. A couple little small step down lanais. Going to put a broom finish on those. And, catch all the edges, the perimeter, where the walls go, make those all nice for the J-bolts and all that. And then we got John and Nui on the Woolly Birds to finish it up, make the slab nice and flat. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Let's run it. Phew. today. A little bit of cranberry juice. There you go. Mango. Oh, so good. Whew, so good. Every time I eat a mango, it's like pulled into another dimension.
It's the money. The money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah.
Okay, we're out of there. Stoked on that one, man. Textbook 40-yard pour. Slab came out great. Curbs came out cherry. Little Lanai's got the broom finish on them. And yeah, man, stoked on that one. Pretty damn good day. Just getting home right now, and we're gonna call that a video. You know, sometimes I'll go out and go dancing or go swimming or something, so we'll just call this nice easy concrete pour this Friday night, and then I got another pour tomorrow, so we're gonna get some rest, get some food in me, and do it all again tomorrow. So right on. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Right on. Cheers.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money.